Bitget versus Bitget Wallet. What's the difference? Choosing the right platform can change how you trade and manage crypto without confusion. Bitget offers trading, while Bitget Wallet focuses on secure asset storage and management. Bitget and Bitget Wallet serve different purposes in the crypto space. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange designed for active trading, whereas Bitget Wallet is a digital wallet built to securely store and manage your crypto assets. The core difference lies in trading versus asset custody. Bitget is a crypto trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It supports spot and derivatives trading, offering features like leverage and futures contracts. The platform works by connecting users to global crypto markets with real-time price data and order execution. Bitget's strengths include a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and strong liquidity, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. However, as an exchange, it requires users to deposit funds into their accounts, which involves some custodial risk. Bitget also provides risk management tools, but trading involves market risks inherent to crypto. The ideal user is someone looking to actively trade cryptocurrencies with access to leverage and various trading pairs, seeking a platform that balances ease of use with professional features. Bitget Wallet is a non-custodial digital wallet designed for securely storing and managing cryptocurrencies. It works by giving users control over their private keys, which means they retain full ownership of their assets. The wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies and integrates with decentralized applications, enabling seamless transfers and interactions within the crypto ecosystem. Its strengths lie in enhanced security, privacy, and user control, reducing risks associated with centralized exchanges. However, it does not offer trading features directly within the wallet, so users must connect to exchanges like Bitget for trading activities. The wallet is ideal for users who prioritize asset security and want to manage their crypto holdings independently without relying on third-party custody. It suits long-term holders and those engaged in decentralized finance who need a secure and versatile storage solution. Bitget and Bitget Wallet complement each other but serve distinct roles. Bitget is best for active traders needing access to markets, leverage, and advanced tools. It simplifies buying and selling but requires trusting the platform with funds. Bitget Wallet prioritizes security and control, ideal for users focused on holding and managing assets safely. While Bitget Wallet lacks direct trading, it integrates with exchanges for seamless transactions. The trade-off is between convenience and control. Bitget offers fast market access with some custodial risk, whereas Bitget Wallet offers full asset ownership but requires extra steps to trade. For users balancing frequent trading with secure storage, using both together provides a complete crypto experience. Choose Bitget if you want a powerful, user-friendly platform for active crypto trading with access to spot and derivatives markets. Opt for Bitget Wallet if your priority is secure, non-custodial asset management with full control over your cryptocurrencies. Together, Bitget and Bitget Wallet offer a seamless solution for both trading and secure storage, covering all your crypto needs